Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2011 BMW X3 and we're going to go over the process to be able to open up your hood so that you can gain access to the engine bay to do any work inside there if you need to. So to start with, we'll go to the door. Over here at the door, we'll either need to unlock the door. You may need to use your manual key depending on what the issue is or if the battery is dead. But otherwise, you open up the door, and right down here, this lever is your hood release lever. Now, with the first hood release lever open, then we can be able to raise the hood, and right in here, so just on the right side of the emblem, is a little lever, and you're going to reach in and pull it towards the right. And that way, what that does is right here, it unlocks that safety latch over there. And then let your hood raise up, and that's how you'd open up your hood on your BMW X3. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.